Hey guys, good morning. Another day, another walking. Long time no see. As usual, I'm here at Holy Mary. Hey Lord, thank you po sa umaga. Thank you Lord. Happy Sunday everyone guys. Holy Mary, back to reality. Uy, tagal ko din nag-jogging dito. Ayun ang mga kasamahan ko guys. So I'm shimmering, very shy. So bye-bye muna guys. Ayun nga guys. Tuwing may kakilala tayo dito, good morning, say good morning everyone. Ayun. Yan. Good morning, good morning. Parang sa idol lang yan. So ayun guys, hanggang dito na muna sa ating Holy Mary update. Bye bye and ingat. Ciao.
Ay, ay, ay.